Hello, welcome to this video on how to create your very own Tin Can Alley Funfair game. This game is something that we would normally play at our annual summer fete. Unfortunately this year we're not able to hold the fete, so we thought that it would be a nice easy and fun game that you could create at home and then use at your own virtual summer fun day. To start with, you need to collect 6 tins, just like these ones. I'm just using food tins. I think these ones were beans. You need to clean them inside and out and remove the outer paper. And then once they're nice and clean, we can start painting the surface. So I was using a bottle just to support the can, just as it made it easier for painting. I've been using acrylic paints. I did use poster paints, but I found that they're a little bit runny and didn't cover very well. So I've been using the acrylic, and we're going to be using red and yellow today to make orange. Here's the paint. Got a nice lovely orange colour. And we will just start painting. So it is much easier to use the bottle to help you control the can, and it also stops the disc getting messy. So I'm using orange at the moment, but you can use any colour that you like. You can make them as bright or as dark, or patterns, whatever you like. So they're very easy to paint. And they do need a couple of coats sometimes just to give them the full colour coverage. There we go, that's nice and easy. And then just pop it to the side and let it dry for an hour, and then I'll give it another coat. Here's a few that I made earlier. Nice vibrant colours. So you need 6 just to make the tower. And then you just use a hard or a soft ball. You can point it, or you can just play for fun. So once they're all dried and they're all put together, you're ready to start painting Can Alley. Have fun.